Hello beautiful people, I'm Lexi. Welcome to my first room renovation video. This is part 1 of 2. The next part will be coming out next week, and that is the final reveal of my new bedroom. We got all new furniture, we painted, did the fan installation. Shout out to my sister's boyfriend Christian, thank you for that. We did a lot of work and I'm satisfied with what I can see so far. Hopefully next week we will have everything settled. And if you're interested, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and I'll see you next week. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
The finished product. Actually, it's not finished. I need to get that light ordered. I mean, it's just a basic closet. Like, I just painted it white, but I did it by myself, so I'm pretty good. You know what? Let me turn the light on. I get my clothes in here. We're gonna put another shelf up here. Yeah. So, I mean, it's better than the icky yellow that was on here before, but yay, Amazon, my favorite company in the whole world. I know what that is. I need to sand down the door so we can paint that. And then we're like halfway done. Okay, so we have the bed. We went and picked it up this morning. It's insanely heavy. So I'm gonna try to move everything out of the garage so I can lay it out, and then I'll take it up piece by piece to my bedroom. The room is gonna change so much, and I'm so excited.
This is the delivery?
Halfway done by the time it's up there. Okay, so I've got all the hardware here. We've got the little things for the slats. These things, I don't really know what they are. And then all of the screws and nails and whatnot. So we're gonna try to get all of this put together now.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go.
Guys, we got the fan in. I'm so excited. It's beautiful. It has 3 arms or branches or whatever they're called. I love that it's matte black. Beautiful. It came with this little remote, fan, speeds, light, dimness, and then a timer. Tomorrow we're gonna wake up early and get the bed frame done, and then sand the door and paint the door, which is gonna go up over here. I'll probably get the door handles done, and in the next week we're gonna get the rope hanging shelf done, the prints up on the wall, and everything in the closet. The prints are probably gonna go above the bed, the rope hanging shelf here, have a few things over that are gonna go over there. And I haven't figured out that corner yet. And then please excuse my mess. This is the only storage I can use right now since the closet's shelves are still drying. But the TV is gonna go up here. I'm so excited.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't want to
Other way.
waste what's left.
Perfect. He's being a great help, huh?
What does it do?
Till my shadow turns to sun.
That is so cool.
If you break this, the Easter Bunny will be sad. And this is what he bought me.
Ooh, a robe? Ooh, that's cool.
And this is my Owie.
What are
These are my Clifford.
slippers?
And I'm wearing this. This makes me warm and twarmy. What we are building. And we are going to build it.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We're about halfway done, which is great. I think in part 2, all we're gonna have to do is the shelf, the pictures, the corner over here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with that. And then putting all my clothes in the closet.